Hello and welcome to my historical recipes. Today I'm going to cook just a small vegetable recipe by Apicius, so ancient Rome. Here we are again, and this time it is about cooking beetroots the ancient Roman way. Well, there's not much else that I can explain beforehand, so I think I would just get going by showing you the ingredients, which are obviously beetroots, leeks. I got some cumin and coriander seeds, a little bit of salt, reduced grape juice, concentrated grape juice, olive oil and vinegar. And I simply start by peeling and slicing the beetroots. Okay, now we put all of this into a saucepan. And we slice the leek as well. Okay, now we crush some coriander seeds and some cumin. Okay. A little bit of salt, like half a mussel shell full. A dash of concentrated grape juice. And then we add water to just almost, but not completely, cover the beetroots, and now we put the whole thing to a boil. Okay, this is boiling now. The recipe just says boil it to perfection, and this is what we are going to do. Now 20 minutes later it has, I think, as Apicius asked, cooked to perfection, meaning that the previously very hard beetroots are soft and ready to eat. So we turn off the flame and proceed with the recipe. The rest is fairly easy. It is going to be a beetroot salad after all, so all we do is that we put the cooked beetroots and leeks into a bowl. And while it's still hot, we add some vinegar. In this case, I'm actually using verjuice, which is the juice of unripe grapes, which was also frequently used instead of vinegar in historical times, but that's just a personal choice because we make it and we like it a lot. And olive oil. And this can be either right away, hot, or cold. Bon appetit!